see you.
Ready to cozy up to a wonderful smelling home with our Bright Winter's Day diffuser blend? You're gonna love using essential oils to make your home smell so uplifting and cozy.
This blend comes from our December recipe box, and we're so excited for you to check it out.
To make this blend, grab your recipe box, find your stickers and your recipe card, and we're going to use all the oils from this blend box. So vanilla woods, lemon eucalyptus, bergamot, and bay.
And from your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab one of your 5 milliliter bottles so you can make a diffuser blend. All right, so we're gonna add our essential oils to our diffuser. We're gonna add 2 vanilla woods,
And 3 drops of bergamot,
and 1 drop of lemon eucalyptus.
and 1 drop of bay.
We're gonna turn it on. Smells like a winter day.
You're going to love this cozy, uplifting, wonderful aroma. To make a master blend of this recipe, grab a 5 milliliter bottle from your big bonus box and add 29 drops of vanilla woods, 43 drops of bergamot, 14 drops of lemon eucalyptus, and 14 drops of bay essential oil.
Don't forget to label that master blend. You can also give this as a gift.
Thanks for watching.
For more great recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box, and don't forget to hit that subscribe now button.
You're gonna love learning how to use essential oils to make your home toxin-free.
See you later.